Hi, this is Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, I will be making lemon cake, keto lemon cake with coconut flour. Now, I've received many questions as to why I choose to use this pan instead of the silicone pan. Personal preference, that's all. I find it a little easier for it to come out of this type of pan. So it's up to you, whether you like this pan or the silicone, same outcome. This recipe I used on my audition on the first season of Sweet Genius with Ron Ben Israel. I didn't make the cut, however, he really did love this lemon cake. The recipe and all the products you see here that I use will be in the description below. Please do us a huge favor, smooshy that like button, click that notification bell, and if so inclined, please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I am eager to make this lemon cake. Let's cook.
¡Viva México!